hello everyone. So today I'll be making an embutido. Yeah, which is aka Imperial Embutido,
There you
right?
go.
Okay, so here we have the ingredients here. We have the fresh bread, bell pepper, flour, cheese, um, raisin, onion, um, what's this? Celery.
Celery.
Right? And then we do have a
Liver spread.
liver spread, and then ham,
Or
spam,
now it's pickle relish.
yeah, the white, sweet one, right? And then the oyster sauce, and of course, salt and pepper. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm going to shred the carrots. So it's really inconvenient when you are using salad master machine. Look at that. So on the other side, on the right side, you have the ground pork, fresh ground pork. This is not too much. That's too much, I think.
And that's good enough.
Yeah. So the spam. Look at that.
So fast.
I know.
So convenient.
Easy and convenient. The small amount we're gonna put on. Okay. And then what else? Of course, a small amount of cheese. Anyway, any cheese, right?
Mm-hmm. Any kind of cheese of it. Iba, eat Eden cheese.
Oh, that's more. That's more Filipino if you are using Eden cheese. Like that's not. Actually, the cheese is optional only. If you want more cheesy, and go ahead. Okay, so more because I love more carrots.
More veggie.
Yeah. So the small amount we're gonna put in here. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, so
Take this up from you, right?
so what we're gonna do is just dump everything inside the 16 quarts. Oh, by the way, we are using 16 quarts roaster. This one is the biggest cookware of Salad Master. And then we do have garlic, fresh garlic, fresh onion, celery, raisin. Oh my goodness.
Looks so
Smells
good.
The aroma of onion, carrots. Bell pepper.
Our bread.
Okay. Look at this one.
Well, we
Starts
just
from
this one
zero.
we just kind of like chop it, but you can
Liver.
use a food processor if you want.
Liver spread. And then that is what's that?
More onion.
More onion. And then the flour.
Oh, don't forget our eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Our binder.
And then, of course, the sweet,
Oh yeah, the sweet wrapper.
okay.
It's like 1 cup.
Yeah, so this one, aka Royal Embutido. Next time, guys, if you want more, you just come and order.
We're open.
Okay.
Christmas is coming.
Oh yeah, especially in Christmas time. Okay, so how many eggs we gonna use?
20.
20.
A few moments later.
One, this is the last one. Ooh. And
Just
then,
salt and pepper to taste.
yeah, to taste, the chicken, just,
I don't know how much. I guess we're just gonna mix it firstly, and then we'll just try a little bit later.
yeah. Today I'm gonna using, this is the new limited edition, 12-inch glass with wrap. Put it on. Then,
You're gonna wrap it here.
yes, I will put the wrap inside, cover for 5 minutes, and then here you go. So I mentioned earlier, since we're gonna use foil, so we replace 2 healthy one, which is dahon ng saging. Okay. Good. Wow. Think too much.
But mine.
It's okay.
I like it.
So instead that, we're gonna use this.
Oh,
Like that one.
yes,
Yeah.
that's great too. Yeah, so you can either use that one.
More healthy. And then look at that. So I have one embutido with banana leaves, right? Banana leaves.
More.
Okay, more. So how many? I think I need.
We're gonna make more.
So we're gonna put in here inside our 12-inch.
Put those sabay-sabay.
Oh, sabay-sabay? It's okay. Okay, so I have 2.
Pasensya na po yung mga audience namin. They are
Yes.
very supportive.
Bakit? You're so professional into like that at mine. Okay, another one. More.
Yes, 4 is enough for now, and then we're gonna close it. So we have to cook for an hour.
An hour?
Is that right? Okay, there you go. Now ready. Our fat is now ready. We're making spaghetti. So we'll put the butter first. And then our onion and beef. Let's go first. optional lang yan. Okay, so you can cook without butter, that's fine. But today is a special occasion, so put some butter. Just a little bit. Now our ground pork. Just gonna close it first. Let's put the ground pork first. Okay. You can add some pepper. I don't normally put salt there sa spaghetti. I only put pepper. But again, to you. Close again, a little bit more. Okay, now that our ground pork is now partially cooked, we now add our pasta. Okay. Salad master way of making spaghetti. We don't need pre-boil the pasta. All we need to do is just drop it straight to our 9 quarts brazier pan. By the way, this is our famous 9 quarts brazier pan. It's very, very convenient. I love this one. Because you can cook mostly anything on this one. With soup, just braise, anything. Spaghetti, steak, anything. Okay, now we'll put our sauce. We're gonna have a combination of Canadian, Filipino spaghetti.
So that would be sweet and sour.
Yeah.
And sour.
Yeah. So that's it.
You put right?
Yeah. You don't have to.
What's that? You have it? Something liquid.
For the cheese, I put a little bit of broth there. Just close it again. Okay, we're now gonna add our cheese. We're adding our cheese now. It's only, yeah, there you go. Looks so good. So just another minute. There you go. Our spaghetti is ready. Let's go eat, guys. So now it's already like 45 minutes.
45
past.
minutes. Okay.
Yeah. Other 45 minutes. Let's try it. Let's
Let's
check it
try
out.
it.
Chef Sharon.
Okay, here you go. Chararara.
Wow, look at that. So good. I'm excited.
You know what? I'm really impressed because of the aroma from the
Banana leaves, right?
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. It's possible you don't need to use aluminum foil, just banana leaves.
Yes, everything is healthy.
Yes. Okay, let me help you. Yes. There you go.
Then let's
Final
open.
product.
I'm using my
Salad mustard.
seashore.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that, guys. Only 45 minutes.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Let's try it. Yes, please.
You can try it. Just slice it. Just slice.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Oh my. Look at that, guys. So pretty.
And then yung napaka-firm, alam mo yung gano'n.
So good. It's not
I
dry.
know.
Okay, try it. Let's
Take your fork. Let's try.
try it.
So look at this one. There is no any measurement, right? We just put everything inside our cookware and then mix it and that's it.
You can see it's colorful too because we have the bell pepper
Yeah.
there, we have our raisins,
And the
celery,
and the good
carrots.
thing here is the smell, the aroma.
So good.
Oh my God.
Perfect.
So
Champion.
So we thought it's only 1 hour, but hey, when you are using Salad Master, it's only 45 minutes. Perfect. Okay, so I would like to shout out for our senior consultant here. Of course, Ms. Gemma, Mrs. Eric De La Cruz, and Madam Lucy. So thank you. Shout out everyone to all Imperial Apron Consultants Associate, Imperial Family. Thank you. Easy. Napaka-easy, guys. Alright. Let's eat.